Thank you for purchasing a Logan Vault Handler. Your business is appreciated. This video was produced to help you operate your Logan Vault Handler. Let's begin with proper starting. Begin by making sure the pump control and transfer case handles are in the neutral position. As a precaution, attach the kill switch cable to yourself before you start the engine. Start the engine. Adjust the throttle and place it in low gear. Sometimes when a handler is brand new, you may have to break in a new transfer case by rocking the handler so it slips into gear more easily. As a safety precaution, when you're handling a vault, always use low gear. Driving is easy. To move the handler forward, ease the pump control handle forward. To move back, return to the neutral position and then ease the handle back. Once you're at the gravesite, get the handler as level as possible. If your handler is equipped with leveling cylinders, use the valve control to operate the leveling cylinders. Apply the parking brake and return the transfer case handle to neutral. To use the winch, pull the diverter valve out and push the pump control handle forward to the proper lifting position. This gives fluid power to the winch. Pull the pins out of the back legs. Loosen the beam clamp. If your handler is equipped with the power boom option, use the pendant control to operate and control the power boom. To extend the boom and back legs, press the in button on the pendant control. Once the beam is extended, release the inner back legs and lock into place. Release the tension on the VTR winch. Release the hoist from the locked position. This allows you to power the vault back. Once in position, the vault can be lowered. When the interment is complete, move the hoist car back to the locked position. Release the beam clamp. And raise and lock the inner back legs. Then return the beam and back leg assembly to the traveling position. You may need to use the VTR winch to adjust the back legs into alignment. And lock with pins. Fully retract and return the leveling cylinders to the traveling position. Ease the pump controller to the neutral position. Make sure the transfer case is in neutral. Push the diverter valve in, which returns power to the drivetrain. Put it in low gear, release the parking brake, and drive away. Safety in towing is essential. Always take precautions and inspect your vehicle carefully before leaving the plant. To hook up to tow the handler, set the hitch on the ball mounted on your towing vehicle. lock the coupler into place. Hook up the safety chains and plug in the lights. Hook up the breakaway cable to the vehicle. Raise the front tire. Check to be sure that the front tire is raised all the way up. Now, put the transfer case into neutral. You can tell if you're in neutral by pushing the pump control handle forward while the engine is running. If you push it forward and the handler doesn't move, you are in neutral. Turn the engine off and shut off the gas. Key safety points. Here are the most important things to remember. First, before you start the handler, make sure the pump control handle is in the neutral position. Whenever you switch the diverter valve, the pump control handle must be in the neutral position. Use the parking brake when you are in a stationary position. Also, use the parking brake and beam clamp when operating the winch. When towing the handler, the transfer case must be in the neutral position or you will damage the drive motor and pump. Never leave the handler unattended while the engine is running. Make sure the beam is level when spanning a grave. When walking beside the handler, always attach the kill switch cable to your body. In addition, always use low gear on hilly or rough terrain. Make sure all clamps are tightened and secure before towing. Maintenance all fluids and brakes. Check them on a daily basis. Check winch cables for snags. When powering the boom out, make sure you are clear of obstacles such as headstones, trees, or brush, as damage can occur. Use caution when leveling cylinders. Never overextend the cylinders. When shifting the transfer case into gear, always rock the handler into gear. This allows the transfer case to fully engage. Always make sure the transfer case is fully engaged. Finally, always secure your load. Follow these few simple precautions and keep regular patience, and you should have years of safe and trouble-free operation.